Hi everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to discuss the second part of the part of speech, which is the verbs. Here we have an exercise and we are going to answer it. There is a question bank and we are going to answer it. First category is choice. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following is a main verb? As we know, the main verb is a verb which gives a meaning to a sentence. So, the choice is have, write, do, is. Okay, what do you think which verb could give a meaning to a sentence? That's right, the verb write. If a 1B. So 1B. Second question, which verb is irregular? Irregular, that is not has the past form, the irregular past form as the regular pattern of the past form and past participle. So, play, walk, go, study. Which of the following, when we form it in the past, it become irregular? That's right. Go went. As we see, the third question, which verb require a direct object? So when the verb is required a direct object, it is transitive. So cry, fly, buy, sleep. Anyone he cries, it flies, he sleeps, but buy, I buy a watermelon. So buy need a direct object, so it's buy. Number 4, which sentence contains an intransitive verb which doesn't need a direct object? Number A, she opened the door, he bought a car, the baby cried, they cleaned the room. So where is the sentence which has no object? Okay, that's right. Number C, the baby cried. Here we go. Which sentence contains a linking verb? A linking verb, it has no meaning in its own, just linking nouns to a noun. Okay, she writes story, she is a teacher, she opened the door, she bought a book. Okay, and the first famous linking verb is verb to be. So here, the answer will be B. She is a teacher. Number 6. Which of the following is an auxiliary verb, helping verb? Help the verb, and the first famous auxiliary verb is has or have, do or does or did. So number A right, number B think, number C has, have, number D drive. So it's number C, have. Here we go. Which verb is a strong verb? Strong verb which is doesn't have a dental ending. Don't has an end like T or D, and so it could be irregular form. So it's number A, number B, number C, number D. A work, B love, C drive, D play. Okay, which one of them is irregular? Verb drive, as drive, drove, driven. So it's strong verb as it change, not has a dental ending. Number 8, which verb is a weak verb? It has a dental ending T or D. Sing, drive, work, write. Sing, sang, drive, drove, work, worked, and the right road. So it's worked. Which sentence contain an irrogative verb? Irrogative or irrogative verb. What's mean by irrogative verb? It's a verb that can be intransitive and transitive at the same time. So the sentence will begin with the object. The object. So it's A, the door is open. B, she bought a car. C, the baby cried. D, he drives a car. It's A, the door opened, as the sentence begin with an object, the door. Number 10. Which verb carries the main meaning in the sentence? Lexical verb, auxiliary verb, linking verb, helping verb. It's lexical or the main verb. So I didn't bring here the word main verb, as lexical is equal to main verb. Okay, the second category, which is true or false. Write true or false. Correct the false statement. Every complete sentence must contain a verb. That's true. Every complete sentence must contain a verb. Okay, lexical verbs are another name for main verb. Yes, that's true. Okay, regular verbs always change their vowels to form the past. No, that's irregular verbs. Number 14. Irregular verbs follow the normal ed pattern. No, that's irregular verbs. Number 15. Transitive verbs require a direct object. True. Number 16. An intransitive verb requires a direct object. False. That's transitive. So, number 17. The verb in the baby cried is intransitive. That's true. Go, went, gone is an example of a regular verb. That's false. It's an example of irregular verb. Linking verbs connect the subject to a subject complement. Yes, that's true. Number 20. Auxiliary verbs can help form questions and negative. True. 21. She is a teacher contain a linking verb. That's true. She is reading contain an auxiliary verb. That's true, as reading is a main or lexical verb here. 23. Strong verbs form the past tense by changing the vowel. Yes, that's true. Number 24. Weak verb usually forms the past by adding a dental ending. That's true. Irrogative verbs can be both transitively and intransitively. That's true. Okay. The third category. Fill in the blanks. 26. A verb expresses an action, an event, an occurrence, or an, yes, that's right, state of being. Number 27. Main verbs are also called lexical verbs. Regular verbs form the past tense by adding ed, d, ied. 29. The verb requires a direct object is called transitive. Number 30. A verb that doesn't require a direct object is called an intransitive verb. 31. Verbs such as go, eat, and write are examples of irregular verbs and strong verbs also. The primary auxiliary verbs are, yes, be, verb to be, and verb to do, and verb to have. That's right. Here we are. Number 33. A verb that connects a subject to a subject complement is called linking verb. 34. Strong verbs form their past tense by changing the vowel. Weak verbs form their past tense using dental ending. Here we are. The fourth category is match the columns. Number 36. Transitive verb is yes. 36 was B, requires a direct object. Okay. Number 37. Intransitive verb. Yes, C, it doesn't require a direct object. Number 38. Linking verbs. That's right. Number D, connects subject to a complement. 39. Auxiliary verb. Yes. Number A, helps form sentences. Number 40. Strong verb. Yes, with E, change the vowels. 41. Regular verb. Yes, that's right. Form past with the, easy, or IED. Lexical verb. That's number G, carries the main meaning. Irrigative verb. That's number H, can be transitive and intransitive. Here, as we can see, 36B, 37C, 38D, 39A, 40E, 41F, 42G, and 43 is H. Okay, category 5, identify the verb. Where is the verb? Identify the verb. Okay. Sarah writes every day. 44. Sarah writes every day. So write is the verb at its type is main verb or lexical verb. 45. They played football. Here, played. So it's also main verb, lexical verb, and here regular verb, weak also. The baby cried loudly. Here, cried is a lexical order main verb. Also, it can be called the weak verb, also regular verb, and can be as intransitive verb. 47. She bought a new car. So it's bought. And can we identify it as lexical or main, transitive, irregular, strong. The door opened yesterday. Here, opened. And we identify it as a main verb or lexical verb, is irrigate verb, is weak verb, and regular verb. He drove to work. So drove is a main or lexical verb. Also, it can be classified as intransitive as he drove to work. Irregular and strong. She is a teacher. Here is the main verb or lexical verb, or it can be called the linking verb is. They have finished the work. Here we have two verbs, finish and have, and the type of sentence here, have finished, is mixed, as it contains have, which is helping or auxiliary verb, and finish, which is the main or lexical verb. Birds fly over the trees. Here we have fly, and it's a main or lexical verb. Here it's also intransitive as over is preposition. Number 53 is reading. Here it is two verbs. Is verb to be is as a linking verb, and reading as the main or lexical verb. Here I have the category 6, which is identify the type of verb. Here the same sentences, but it shows the verb, and I answered it already, but I will answer it again. She writes every day is writes is a main or lexical verb, and regular. They played football. Played is a main or lexical verb, and regular, and week also. And we can say here it's transitive. He went home. Went is a main or lexical verb, irregular, strong, and transitive. She bought a car. Bought here is a main or lexical verb, irregular, transitive, and strong. The baby cried. Cried here is a main or lexical verb, regular, intransitive, and weak. The door opened. Here, irrigative verb, and it's the main verb, and also it's irrigative and regular. She is a teacher. Is a linking verb. They have finished. Have, as we said, is auxiliary verb. And he drove to work. Drove main lexical verb and strong and intransitive here. She is reading a novel. Is reading is auxiliary. Reading is a main or lexical verb. Category 7. Find the direct object. Underline the direct object if there is one. Then state whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. 64. She bought a car. Direct object is a car and the verb here is transitive. Number 65. The door or they open the door. The main or the direct object is the door and it's transitive. Okay. 66. The baby cried. Here there is no direct object as the verb cried is intransitive verb. Number 67. Birds fly. Here there is no direct object also as is a verb is intransitive. Number 68. He wrote a letter. Wrote a letter. Here we have a direct object which is a letter and its verb wrote here transitive. Sarah cleans the classroom. Classroom here is a direct object and clear here is transitive. Number 70. The people laughed loudly. Here we didn't have a direct object as the verb loved is intransitive. 71. They played football. Football is a direct object and here's the verb transitive. She closed the window. The window is a direct object and the verb transitive. The children slept peacefully. Here we have no direct object as the verb slept is intransitive. So both transitive, open transitive here in number 67. Cried intransitive. 65 also, or sorry, 65 opened here is transitive. 66 no transitive verb as cried is no transitive verb as the cried is intransitive verb. Number 67 no transitive verb as fly is intransitive verb. Number 68 here rose is transitive verb. She cleaned the room. Here clean 69 is transitive. Loved no direct object as verb loved is intransitive. Play transitive. Also close transitive and slept intransitive. Number 74. Choose the correct classification. She bought a car. Bought here is intransitive, transitive, linking, or auxiliary. Yes, here both is transitive. The baby cried. Here the answer is cried is intransitive. Number 76. She is a teacher. Is here is linking verb. She is reading. Here is reading. There is some choices. A linking, B auxiliary, C intransitive, strong, D strong. So is here is auxiliary verb. She went home. Regular, weak, irregular, linking. This is went irregular. That's right. 79. She drove to school. Drove is strong, regular, weak, or auxiliary. So 79 is strong. It's not regular, it's not weak, it's not auxiliary. Here we go. Number 8C. They worked yesterday is strong, weak, irregular, linking. Work is weak. Try. Okay, I'm going to leave the answers again. 74 transitive, 75 intransitive, 76 linking, 77 auxiliary, 78 irregular, 79 strong, and 80 is weak. Here we are. Choose the wrong information. Correct the underlined classification. Okay, here we have a classification and we are going to correct it whether it's right or wrong, and we are going to correct it. H1 go, went, gone is regular verb. No, it's irregular. Walk, walked, walked. It's irregular verb. No, it's regular as it's ending with ed. The baby cried is transitive verb. No, it's intransitive as there is no direct object. 84. She bought a car is intransitive. No, it's transitive as there is an object. She is a teacher is auxiliary verb. No, it's a linking verb. She is reading is a linking verb. No, it's auxiliary verb. Drive, drove, driven is weak. No, strong verb. Work, worked, work is strong. No, it's weak verb. So 81 irregular, 82 regular, 83 intransitive, 84 transitive, 85 linking, 86 auxiliary, 87 is strong, and 88 is weak. Here, category 10, choose the odd one. Odd one means it's not related to the group, it's stranger. So we are going to write or underline the stranger verb here, the stranger former here, and the strange form of the verb here, and we were going to explain why. So 89 walk, play, study, go. Let me think of this. All verb has, or can we say it has a meaning or lexical. So here all the verbs are weak, but there is one strong, and all the verbs are regular, and there is one irregular, which is go. It was a different, or the old one is go, as go it's irregular, and the others are regular, and is strong, and the others are weak. Number 90, go, eat, write, work. The same pattern. Work is regular, and all of the others are irregular. So it's the stranger. The first 89, go is a stranger. 90, work is stranger. 91, be, have, go, drive, sing, swim, love. Okay, love is irregular, and all of them are irregular, and love is weak, and others are strong. 92, be, have, go, right. Oh, that is very clear and easy. The verb stranger is right, as right is a main or lexical verb, but be, have, or do are auxiliary or helping verbs. 93, cry, fly, work, sleep. Which one is the difference? Yes, that's work. Why? Because all of them are irregular and intransitive, but work is regular and transitive. Number 94, opened, played, worked, and went. Went is different because it's irregular and the others are regular. Bought, drove, wrote, walked. Walked is stranger because it's regular and the others are irregular. Is, have, do, write. Write is the main or lexical verb, and is, have, do can be auxiliary verbs. Okay, the last category, complete the sentence with the suitable verb from the box. She got a new book yesterday. Yes, she bought. Number 89, the baby knocked loudly, cried. 99, he knocked the door, opened. 100, no, she knocked a teacher, is. 101, they have finished their homework. 102, he drove to school yesterday. 103, the children played football. 104, she writes every day. And here is the ending of our exercise today. I hope you have a good time and focus with me as we answer the questions. And if anyone has any questions, he can tell me in a direct message, DM. Thanks.